In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Pickleball paddle set from the company Ropoda, R-O-P-O-D-A. With all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody out there thinking about buying the same items. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So it's sealed in plastic. Let me go ahead and pull it out. Now, I'll be the first to say I am new to pickleball. And basically the reason I am looking into this is because all of our tennis courts are slowly getting converted to pickleball because there's so many people playing it. So let's go ahead and let's open it. Let's take a look at what we've got. So you get 4 balls with this set, 2 outdoor balls, 2 indoor balls. If you're not familiar with pickleball, they basically feel like your old school wiffle balls that you used to play baseball with, that they still make with regards to baseball. So there's the balls. And then we are going to have 2 fiberglass pickleball paddles. I believe the description said they're just under 11 inches in length and then 7.8 inches in width in terms of the paddle size. That would not be counting the handle. That's just going to be the paddle size itself. Just over 7 ounces, so they are really light. If you're wondering, it's a little bit bigger than a ping pong racket if you've ever played ping pong. Handles are sealed in plastic. So let's see if I can rip those off just to show you. And I'm not going to pull out the second racket to show you, but you're basically going to get 2 identical rackets, just like this. As far as why I got these, there are some pickleball players out at our courts, and these are the ones that they recommended. So I'm going to take them out there and see how I like pickleball. Let me go ahead and show you. There's just a second identical paddle that you get. And then a little specification information brochure. These are some of the specs that I mentioned earlier. Maybe I can get close enough to where you can see that. Case is really nice. You've got a compartment over here for taking snacks, stuff like that. You've also got a little flap on the inside. And then your 4 balls and your 2 rackets should fit in there nicely.